Wait a moment. I just realized you can brew with ground coffee on this? Shut the door. Oh my gosh, it does ground coffee. Hi, my name is Roxanne Wilson and welcome to my channel where I show you all sorts of great reviews on Ninja shark items and other things for your kitchen. Today we're talking about the brand new Ninja AutoBarista Pro. It's the only fully automated machine that actually crafts true espresso, authentic drip coffee, and rapid cold brew. And even the box gets me super excited because you can make 13 one-touch cafe inspired drinks, including your rapid cold brew, your velvety rich cold press espresso, golden patio drip coffee, true microfoam cappuccino, of course your rich crema espressos, and more. And look, here's an example of all that you can make. Now the cool thing about this is that you can save your favorite, so it knows exactly what to do. If you have a brew to function and it's automatic. Now I can't wait to get into this. I'm super excited. So we're gonna get into it right here and just try it out. As always, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I'd love for you to watch the videos all the way through. I'm on the road to getting to be able to have links directly so you can purchase the items here. Also check out the captions for lots of goodies. All right, let's dive into it. I've got it right over here. First glance, getting it out of the box is process. There's a lot of items. Check the box. It's going to tell you exactly how to lift it out to make it easy. But there's a lot of items to do because, of course, we're making coffee, really good coffee. So this right here is the water filtration system. I'm going to start by putting that together, and then we'll work on cleaning it. Also, you have a little start here guide that's going to let you get ready to get it going. So this is a process, but I'm down for it. First glance, things that pop out to me because I have the Cafe Luxe. The fact that there's this whole bean area, look how big that is. Okay, now I always love these because they are going to be protected so your beans are not going to go stale, but there's a lot of goodness going in here. I'm going to work on the filtration system and come with me. And we'll do the water filtration installation first thing. By the way, we're coming at this as someone I've never been a barista. I've never trust and believe, and I don't even drink coffee. My husband does, but I do enjoy coffee. We have to soak the filter for 5 minutes in cool, clean water. Got it. It's one of those situations. So inside the actual water, I'm going to clean this anyway, comes your filter and also filter housing. So it comes in here. I'm going to go ahead and soak this and get this going. Don't worry, you don't have to watch the part. You're good. First step, it says to go ahead and soak it for 5 minutes in cool water, then I'll rinse it. So I'll soak that. I'll be back. Now it does come with a quick start guide. I love a good Ninja quick start guide because it gives you everything you know to get it ready, to calibrate it, and to do all of that. And it gives you a little diagram of all the different pieces in your AutoBarista. Clean is, of course, your hopper. Cleaning that right now as well too. You want to clean and thoroughly dry that. It's steps, but it's steps towards your AutoBarista moment. Oh, look. Make sure you get all the tape and stuff off of it as well too. That kind of helps. And others, you want to remove it and follow the directions. Go figure. Some of the pieces you're getting with it, you're getting 2 hoppers. So it's a swappable hopper. Not sure why. I guess so you can change out your beans if you have different bean choices. So you'll have 2 hoppers. There's one already in the machine, and then you get a second one. This is going to be your milk jug, of course, because you're going to make the most perfect cremes and whatnot. This one, it has your spot for your level for your cortado, your cappuccino, your flat white, and your lattes. So you want to clean this as well too before you get started using it. Filter's ready. So this is the filter holder. Push it to open, then slide your filter in there that I've washed. I've soaked and washed, then click it back in. So it has a little spot here. It's going to tell you to replace the current date and month. All right, this is May. Happy May. I took the insert date to the current month. I put May. That way it tells me that I need to replace it in 2 months. We'll slide this into the water filter, just like this. And we'll twist, push it in, and then we'll take it and we'll put it all the way here inside of the machine. So we'll put the water in there, and the water will fill in here. Next step, coffee beans. To clean a machine all the time. This is the brew unit. That looks fancy. It also looks like a printer. This is wild. I'm putting it where we want it on the counter before I add water. Next step, coffee beans. So we've cleaned it. Wait a moment. I just realized you can brew with ground coffee on this? How did I miss that memo? Shut the door. Oh my gosh, it does ground coffee too. That is so good. Okay, next step, put water inside of here, at least to the min fill line. I'm just gonna fill it up. It takes a lot of water. Okay, next step, and I'm reading this because We're gonna start by making a pre-ground coffee, okay? Here we go, power on. Ooh, we're gonna rinse first. That is the espresso cleaning accessories, and inside of it has a water hardness tester. So you do wanna check, because you have minerals and whatnot in your water, you wanna check what the hardness is so that you know how to descale the machine. But more importantly, you're gonna set the machine to that special water so it knows and it works accordingly. Hello, too cool. So I'm gonna take one of these and I'm just going to stir it inside of here for about 5 to 10 seconds to see, to test how good is my water. So I'm gonna let it drop, put it on a surface, and in about a minute, it's gonna tell me how good my water is. Okay, I'm gonna set the water hardness. I'm not surprised. We have soft water, all green. Thank you very much. So I'm gonna turn it down to 0. Perfect. Okay, water is set. We've rinsed it. Now we're gonna make some coffee. We're gonna make pre-ground coffee. Select our drink. All right, latte it is. I'm gonna press the latte button here. Just the picture, I think. Oh, stop. We're gonna do pre-ground mode. You can choose like a pre-ground. That's a button right here, pre-ground. And now, do you want 1, 2, or 3 shots?
2.
2, well, perfect, okay. How strong do you want it to be? 1 to 5?
2.
1, 2. Milk type. Plant-based or dairy. Milk type. Froth only or hot water. Froth type and dairy. That looks good. We're gonna use Tundra Brew coffee. I'll put the link and details inside the video if you wanna try it. It smells good. You want mocha, cinnamon, hazelnut, caramel, cinnamon roll, hazelnut, or fresh vanilla. So one of the cool things about this is it has a scooper inside of it. So if you're doing ground coffee, which is the first time that Ninja has one that can grind coffee beans and also do regular coffee or coffee grounds. So those are grind coffee. You just take that. It's a latte. It's 2 to 4, 6. Okay, it tells you how many scoops. We're almost there. I'm gonna put that back there. That is maybe the coolest part. All right, so I've got the milk for the latte in there. All I need is my coffee cup. Now we all know we don't like to put it down that low, because if we put it down that low, it's gonna splatter like coffee does. I think this should work. That might be a little too high. Perfect. Well, look at that. No splatter's gonna happen. All right, next step. Let me go to latte. We wanted 2. It does go to sleep if you take a long time. 2 shots, that, boom, bam. All right, let's do it. Are we ready? Hit the start button. All right, it's underneath there. We'll do 2 and 2, and then make sure it's on pre-ground. That's the important part. I almost forgot. Pre-grind.
Smells good.
This is so cool. It's actually frothing the milk. Yeah, so it's making the coffee and the milk at the same time, and it lights up. I cheated, that's an eggnog latte, as we know. Oh yeah, look at that milk. Yeah, looks good. Now let's go to the coffee. Oh, your coffee's weak, boy. My cart is full, so I missed the coffee. All right, here's the coffee.
Smells good.
Smells really good.
Fancy. Wait, what's that? The froth on top?
Yeah.
Oh, but it's because it's the product. That's why it's not like super frothy.
Yeah, because I made it.
Booze.
Yeah, we did an eggnog one to test.
What?
Look at that. Ooh. Coffee grounds. They got to go somewhere. It makes sense. Pour. Oh yeah, look. Pours out the water. They're gonna be fancy. And then this comes up like so. And you clean out those grounds. We had some technical difficulties, so bear with me. I'm on my phone now, but easy cup of coffee. As you can see, it's simple and easy. I'm gonna keep on making more with your auto barista because I'm amazed. Here's what I'm amazed about. I've had the Cafe Lux. You don't have to like grind the beans. You don't have to do the portafilter. You don't have to do any of that. All you're doing is putting the beans in there or ground coffee like we did today, and it's going to make it simultaneously for you and just take your coffee and you enjoy. If you want more details on this, please give me a follow because I'm going to be doing more videos for you about this actual machine and all as I learn more about it as well. Or if you want to just dive in because you already know, you know. Go ahead and look in the caption. I've got details for you on how you can get your auto barista. It is exclusive right now at Ninja and you don't miss out on it. Plus, I have a code. It may not work because it's a new item, but you can try in all capital letters ROX. But I did put my link below and I'd love for you to use it. All right, remember you're not ahead, you're not behind. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. And please give me a follow because we'll be doing more of these goodies very soon.